Hello everybody and welcome to Excel tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be learning how to calculate percentage in Excel. Right now, as you can see, we have students data and we have different students with different marks in the subject of calculus, and we also have a total, and we want a percentage of all of these students in their respective subject. To do so, you can follow this step-by-step guide. First, click on the cell where you want percentage to be, and after that type in here is equal to, and then click on the cell which is stating the subject, and after that type divided by the total and press enter, and here you can see we have 50%. If this is not showing on your side, from the Homes tab make sure that percentage style is selected instead of comma style. So currently it is selected to comma style. Now if we change it to percentage, you can see the percentage is being displayed. Similarly, if you want to do for the other cells as well, simply drag all the way to the bottom and you will be having percentage for all of our students. So that's a pretty simple process on how to calculate percentage in Excel. I really hope you liked the video and learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. Thanks for watching.